friend, today I presentation. See the software. This software is a ring, Ringle Mail, Ringmail, Ringmail software. Name: send unlimited email to unlimited lead with the most advertised email platform and got 300% more open and click without paying any monthly fees ever. No domain, no hosting, nothing install, no researching and importing. 100% control on your business. Send unlimited email to unlimited subscribe. So friend, see this video. See, this is a website video. More information about this. I think this is a best software to easy to use or more than uses.
Using content and research included, catchy call to action sprinkled in, and mwah! It's a masterpiece. You just need to hit the send button and imagine results like these. The only problem is you get super low opening rates, legit rates, all for just email marketing platforms that you've been using in the past that charge you hefty monthly amounts and continuously fail to deliver. Email marketing is still a workhorse for digital marketing initiatives and most engaging channel on desktop and mobile phones.
Very easy to use.
Constantly changing and not reliable.
Changing your life.
Let me share some amazing.
Every businessman also use this software. Very easy to software.
Spam score checker. Just enter the content inside the editor, and in a single click, it'll show you the keywords that may make your email spam. A perfect solution to optimize your content for max results. These allow for our website to be fast and efficient. But wait, we're not done here. For a limited time, you're getting the commercial license without any extra cost. So period. After this, it'll get back to its rightful recurring price. The innovative dream tool of every smart entrepreneur.
See, send unlimited email, upload an email unlimited lead, most advertised email marketing platform even. Sky open and click rate 4,000 done for your email spam. 100% high conversation template for web font, email and more. Spam, storage, checker and ensure maximum inboxing. Complete step-by-step video training and tutorial including with the commercial license. So what do you think? Got a free funnel builders web hosting if you buy today. You are lucky. Original mail can be yours at $14 only of our welcome offer. Click here for install access on organic mail by Visa card, MasterCard, American Express. Oh my god, this is a risk free because why? 30, 165-day money back guarantee. So it is a risk free. Got free funnel buildings, unlimited web hosting if you buy today. See this software, more uses. Step 1, easy to use. Step, just 3 simple step. Step 2, step 3, more information about the software, see this website, see my video description link, click the link on this website. More and more information about this software. So what you think? Just click the link or buy button. Then more review. These people also use the software and they are review how to use and how to benefit these people. See these people also benefited. So what do you think? Just click buy button, access now, click here. Very easy to use. Or more information about the software, complete email, mail, webmail and Mailchimp. Who is the best benefited to this? So what do you think? Just click the buy button or access now. See 365-day money back guarantee, 100% satisfaction guarantee. So we are going to lot of organic mail to see bonus 1, bonus 3, bonus 4, bonus 7, bonus 5. Also many bonuses the software uses. So friend, have a good day, have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video. More and more information about my video description link and click buy button or